Hello class, today we'll be focusing on a strategy we can use to acquire information. One way to do this is to use a mnemonic strategy. One of the mnemonic strategies include verbal or visual clues that can help students store and retrieve information. One effective strategy is first letter mnemonics. This strategy is great for learning large amounts of information. So if you wanted to learn if you want to memorize the last 10 presidents of the United States for a history class, you could use the first letter of each president, put it down in a row like this, and create a word or a sentence, a word for each letter, and make it into a sentence. So, for example, you could do every kind Jake needs, fun, caring, beautiful, charismatic, brainy old-timers. Another example where you can use it in your class is your science class. So you have the order of the planets, which doesn't include Pluto now. So to use a mnemonic, so you have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and some students struggle with that. So I'll just have someone from the class come up. Caleb, can you come up and try to make up your own first letter mnemonic?
Sure.
So it can be hard to memorize these things. I had trouble myself in science, but let's see what he comes up with. Maybe something interesting. So far he has, my very educated mother just served us nachos. So I can remember that. Alright, let's look at our last example. So let's say we need to memorize for a test in school. We want to memorize the Great Lakes from east to west, or west to east, sorry. And so we have Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. What we could do is we could do Superman helps everyone. I already wrote one. So yeah, but why would this help? Well, it's a learning technique that aids information retention. It can help students translate information into a form that the human brain can retain better from its original form. And everyone learns differently, so this is one way to learn.